Hi folks, Coach Jeff here. I want to talk today about the importance of grip. One of the things I see from my students sometimes is they're gripping the paddle kind of vertically like this. And that's not what we want. Sometimes they're at the net and that really puts a lot of strain on your fore muscles on your forearm here. And it locks your wrist up too much so you don't have any freedom to swing. So what we want to do, the continental grip, everybody should know the continental grip. Shake my hand, that's the continental grip. And you'll notice when I have the continental grip, my knuckles are kind of going along the contour of my paddle. So this is the typical continental grip. What are you trying to accomplish? Where are you having your issues? Are you having control issues? The higher you hold that continental grip up on your paddle, the more control you're going to have. The closer you can get to that face of that paddle, you'll have better control. Some people will put one finger up here. Some people will even put two fingers up here. And they're, as you can see, their wrist is clear to the top of the paddle. If you're trying to get more power, the opposite happens. We want to start bringing our grip down the paddle. So the further down the paddle we get, the further away our wrist is from the face of the paddle, and that's going to give us more power to hit with. So it just depends on what you're trying to accomplish. More control, get it higher. More power, get it lower. Hope that helps. I wanted to talk to you about something I think is very important. I think it's overlooked by a lot of people. That's grip pressure. And I see people popping the ball up, and I see a lot of drives into the nets. If you come up to the line and you have a really tight grip on your paddle, it's really hard to reset a ball. It's really hard to control a ball when you're dinking. So at the line, when we're here and we're dinking the ball and we're just hitting it easy and trying to control the ball, we want to have a grip pressure of 3. I could almost dink like this with 3 fingers off and be just as good. So we want to have a grip pressure of 3. I have a baby bird in my hand. I don't want to let it go, but I don't want to crush it. As we get further and further back, we want to get a little harder grip pressure. By the time we're back on the baseline, we want about a 7. We never want to grip it too far and go to a 10. Okay? So I hope that helps you.
If you'd like to see more tips for all levels of play, please like and subscribe.